As a rule of thumb, if you're black here, you want to play h5. If you're white here, you want to play g4. Okay, the reason being, let's go to this position right here. This is what the defending side wants to avoid. Here, white will just play rook a5, sheltering the king from the side checks, and then play e5 with devastating force. And I'll cover this in the next video, how white might win from here. So this 4 versus 3 endgame, black is going to lose like 90% of the time, even if theoretically it might be a draw. So going back to here, what h5 does is that when white tries to set up this sort of f5 and e5 plan, with g4 supporting, the h5 pawn there will get to trade off one pair of pawns. And then a 3 versus 2 is actually really, really drawish. Way more drawish than a 4 versus a 3. Whereas if white to play gets g4 in, then h5 is not possible here, and then he can go about setting up that kind of thing structure that we saw in the last position with all his pawns still there, 4 versus 3.